Lie face down, bend your elbows, and place your hands right next to your shoulders. Then raise your upper body by straightening your elbows. 25 seconds. Almost done. For both sides, kneel on the ground, place one foot out in front with the knee bent. Put your hands on the front knee and stretch the leg in the back. 40 seconds. Switch the sides. It's almost done. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width. Slightly bend your knees. Bring your hands together at chest level, elbows out, then turn your torso to the sides. 30 seconds. It's almost done. Lie on the floor with your knees bent and feet together. Open your knees to the sides as much as possible. 45 seconds. Almost done. For both sides, lie on your back, pull one knee to your chest with your hands. 100 seconds. Switch the sides. It's almost done. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and pull them towards your chest with your hands. Hold the position. 50 seconds. Almost done. Lie on your back with your arms extended at your sides. Bend your knees and twist your legs to the right. 45 seconds. It's almost done. Lie face down. Place your palms at the sides of your shoulders, then lift your chest up while your legs are on the floor. Hold the position. 55 seconds. It's almost done. Keep your legs straight and take a step forward with your left foot. Bend over towards your left leg. 45 seconds. It's almost done. Keep your legs straight and take a step forward with your right foot. Bend over towards your right leg. 45 seconds. 55 seconds. It's almost done. Lift yourself up on your tiptoes. 25 seconds. It's almost done. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and pull them towards your chest with your hands. Hold the position. 30 seconds. It's almost done. Stand upright, bend forward, extend one arm, and raise the opposite leg backwards at the same time. Repeat. 20 seconds. It's almost done. Extend your arms to the sides. While leaning forward, touch one foot with the opposite hand. 25 seconds. It's almost done.